We got a head-to-head here. Buzzbait versus the whopper plopper. Who's going to take the victory? First one on the whopper plopper. So for every fish I catch, I'm going to switch baits to make it fair. We'll see you, little dude. Oh, a little acrobat. Literally next cast with the buzzbait, just about the same size. We'll see you, bub. Get bigger. Second one for the whopper plopper. A little better. The reason I'm using the red light, I feel like it's not as bright as the white light, so I'm not spooking these fish. Best one yet, the second one for the buzzbait. We'll see you, pal. Number 3 for the whop. See you, pal.